see that thing. Yeah, well, we're just about done here.
Dave, go get me a spoon.
I'm videotaping. I can't.
Alright, it's got brood in it. Alright.
There's nothing wrong with that. Just
No.
needs to get a lot of bees.
You won't have a lot of brood.
Honey, if you want a spoon, you gotta go get it.
Are you gonna lift this side as well?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off.
Okay.
I go get a spoon real quick and a ramekin. Do not let the girls out.
Where's that grabber?
I don't know. Where's the grabber, honey?
Right here.
Oh, Stan's got it in his hand.
These bees are gentle.
They love me. We sing to them. I play music. Hey, you. What's up?
And it's got brood.
That's okay.
Now this is gonna be easier because we're gonna have to pull it.
I'm being checked.
We'll go walk away.
Alright, all three got brood in them.
That's okay. So now what do we want to do?
Those are so heavy, I believe she's up here. So, we are going to remove this one.
All three. Because there was no queen excluder, there's brood everywhere, meaning new babies. Which is good when you want to grow your beehive population, which we need to do so we have more beehives. It sucks for getting honey. Because now all the honey being made needs to go to the babies. But that's okay. There's plenty of beekeepers out there who can offer some honey And as we're prepared, we got a cup. I'll get some of the honey somehow, some way. Now you may be wondering why I'm out here like this and not like him or him. My bees left me. They're not going to bother me. And if I do get checked, if they do come talk, I'll walk away. Yes, my dad is scraping them off and throwing them on the ground. Because beekeeper life. Meanwhile, we're only 6.5 minutes into the entire process. So if you ever think that beekeeping is too much, you actually have to be very quick. And you have to learn. We're still learning, which is why you get hashtag the dadders. So we'll add a queen excluder on this level to make sure that if the queen is in that one, she can't go to the next level. But for whatever reason, if she's in the level over there, the one covered in bees, guess what? We're going to put another queen excluder to prevent her from going anywhere. Uh-oh, my dad changed his mind. We're only going to put it on the very top. Wait, he might do a double excluder. It could happen. Nope, he has changed his mind. No double excluder. Oh.
That's all I'm trying to do.
Now he's trying to get the queen in there.
Okay, queen.
Now we put the queen excluder. We let that new queen draw even more. We entice her to come up there. Who knows? We might get honey down at the bottom. And yes, there's brood in there, but hey. If the queen is down bottom, she'll draw it out there. If the queen is on top, no brood in the bottom. But honey.
Now, she's either going to be stuck here or she's going to be stuck down here. And we're going to let this fill up. They'll draw all this out.
Are you sure it's not going to be brood?
There will be brood in here. But what I'm saying is, they're going to draw this out. They're going to turn it all into honeycomb. But if the queen is down here in these two, all right, we got a queen excluded. Okay, that's what I want.
I can't get another one.
No, we don't need another one. What we're going to do is that we're going to let them draw this out. Next time I come back, if we find it's all drawn out, she's got eggs in this box, we know she was in one of these two. Then we remove one of them, and we know she's not here no more. It's all about elimination.
Oh yeah.
And so hopefully she's down in these two boxes.
But this right here will be our honey.
This will be your honey.
Y'all, fingers crossed, Tandy needs honey.
This is what makes you a thief.
Y'all don't seem to understand. Tandy's got autoimmune stuff going on. She needs that honey.
So, all you're doing is, without having to go through there and try and find this, you're doing this. Turn that like that. And that's it. I always leave a hive tool right there. You won't know nothing but
This is another episode of
That way you know the weight.
Jim and I's apiary business. You need some Grayson Valley honey? We're trying to get it to you.
about 50 pounds.
Did y'all hear that? 50 pounds.
I don't know. Are those rails going to survive
Oh,
that
those
weight?
rails are fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Those are bed rails.
From all the southern people you ever need, get some bed rails.
Yeah.
Prop you up some honeybees. Daddy, wave to the camera. We're vlogging.
I'm getting out of this thing. It's hot.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Until next time.
Bye.
We'll do it this way. From Jim and I's honey. Jim, again, and I.